Microsoft Power BI desktop using for data visualization software. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system explained. Browser open. Google search box lo enter Microsoft Power BI desktop download. Enter key press Microsoft.com. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. First link click. Microsoft Download Center official redirectory web page complete display. Middle section lo Microsoft Power BI desktop related two options display. Second button blue color button download click. Download section lo PBI desktop setup underscore x64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 831 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo PBI desktop setup.exe file. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Microsoft Power BI Desktop x64-bit setup window lo select language, primary language default English set. Right side down arrow click, country and your convenient language. Select all languages display in box. Default English set. Second button, next click. Microsoft window lo first button, yes click. Preparing to install. Welcome to the Microsoft Power BI Desktop x64 setup wizard window. Second button, next click. Microsoft Software License Terms Application Related Complete License Info display in middle section. Bottom section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set, mouse left click. Third button, next click. Destination folder Power BI related installation. Destination folder installation path display. Local disk C program files folder. Newly created folder Microsoft Power BI desktop. Second button, next click. Ready to install Microsoft Power BI desktop window lo bottom side create a desktop shortcut. Power BI related desktop shortcut icon display. Necessary tick mark set, unnecessary tick mark remove, present necessary. Second button install click. Please wait while the setup wizard installed Microsoft Power BI desktop. Application related files extracting process start and copying new files. Wait and hear process completing. You have successfully completed the Microsoft Power BI desktop shortcut display. Launch Microsoft Power BI desktop. Tick mark set. Finish button click. Program running. Untitled Microsoft Power BI desktop. Interface complete display. Collaborate and share box close. First one, select data source or start with a blank report. Section lo first one blank report, second one like catalog, third one Excel Power Book, fourth one SQL Server database related. Next learn with sample data. First one new section lo blank report template. Select top section lo menu bar. Second section ribbon lo display tools and options. Add data to your project. Next AI related copilot. Right side visualization panel. Display individual charts. Hide this visualization panel. Click and filters. First one data section lo filtering data ascending and descending.